I wish social media told me before visiting the famous Avatar Mountains. For starters, it's massive and you definitely need more than just a day. A lot of what you see on social media is just the Avatar Mountains. But in order to do this place justice, you need at least 3 full days. But in order to do this place justice, and I recommend splitting this up into Tianmenche and Grand Canyon for the first day and doing the National Forest the second and third day.
Visit places in Chengdu. First, we have the Panda Research Base, where you can see these cute pandas. There are also red pandas and baby pandas, panda bells, and peacocks. Do also ride the shuttle bus because this space is huge. Next, we have Quanzhai Alley. The street is lined with unique gift shops and heaps of Chinese snacks and delicacies, where I tried rabbit jerky but didn't like the aftertaste. The vibe though is a 10 out of 10. You need to visit People's Park for a peaceful walk and tea time at one of their beautiful tea houses. And don't forget the long spout teapot performance. Lastly, we have Jinli Street. It is surrounded by ancient Chinese architecture, a beautiful lake, heaps of specialty shops, and so much food.
If you love history but can't stand long lectures, then stick around. We're diving into the Forbidden City. Built in the early 15th century, the Forbidden City is a sprawling complex of nearly 1,000 buildings. It served as the home of Chinese emperors and the political heart of China for almost 500 years. Picture this, 180 acres filled with stunning palaces, intricate gardens, and massive courtyards. Want to know a fun fact? The Forbidden City got its name because commoners were forbidden from entering without special permission. Imagine trying to sneak in there. Here's another cool tidbit. The city has exactly 9,999.5 rooms. Why? Because 10,000 was reserved for the gods in heaven. Talk about divine real estate. Today, it's one of the most visited museums in the world, attracting millions of curious minds every year. So if you're a history buff with a taste for adventure, this place is a must-see.
Few places on Earth capture the imagination like the Great Wall of China, one of the most iconic man-made structures in the world. Spanning more than 13,000 miles, the Great Wall was built over centuries to protect China from invading forces, and today it remains a symbol of perseverance and strength. Walking along the wall is a journey through history. You can explore restored sections like Mutianyu, with its watchtowers and sweeping views, or venture to more remote wild sections like Jinshanling, where the wall crumbles into the landscape, untouched by modern renovations. Regardless of where you stand, the sheer scale and grandeur of the Great Wall will leave you in awe.